Well, hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing what I know in C, the C programming language, and I'm going to be doing a little programming. I haven't read the book yet, my book in the C programming language. I'm just going to be doing it off my memory, from my head, uh, from what I used to do long time ago when I used to mess around with the C programming language. So this is the book I'm going to be reading, and this is the book I'm going to be learning from. It's the only book I got in C, and the only thing I don't like about it is it teaches everything by way of example. Like it tells you what it is, that maybe the functions, how functions work, and then it gives you examples. It doesn't really take you um, um, into like a deep dive, a deep, thorough explanation, and then showing an example. It just tells you the basics, and then it gives you an example, and it mixes the example with what it told about, say, for instance, the functions, or the arrays, or selection statements, and stuff like that. So I'm going to be doing my first program, and it's going to be in C. So we start with a hashtag. Now I'm using GNOME Builder. I could have used CLion, uh, which CLion is actually not bad at all. It's quite good, but GNOME Builder is more minimal and simpler. So I'm just using GNOME Builder. I have always been using GNOME Builder, way more than CLion. Um, so yeah, my first program is of course a printf statement, and let's call it hello YouTube. So this is a basic program, and it's somewhat the kind of program you would write if you just began programming. It's the mandatory hello something, right? It's mandatory for any new programmer, and I'm not writing hello world. I'm writing hello YouTube. So let me just compile it. Okay, and let's run it. Yeah, hello YouTube. Yeah, that was my first program. Currently, my first program. So now I'm going to try to write a function. Now I know the selection statements, which is not something I need to show. It's like what I really need to show is a function. Um, I have written functions before. It took me a while to try to grasp and bend my mind a bit to understand them. But nevertheless, I did write functions before, and let's just see if I still remember them. Okay, int func, int h. I think we need a semicolon. I think this was called the function declaration. The prototype, yeah, prototype. And then, so we have the prototype, and then we write the function, I think it's called declaration, even though I'm not quite sure. The body of the function. Okay, so let's say we want the function to print something. We declare printf statement inside the function, and let's have it write hello world. Okay. Hello world. And then we need to call the function in a function call. So a function call would be simply the name of the function followed by parentheses. If I can remember. There's still some wrong. A function call should be able to call a function from within main, but there's some I'm not doing. Okay. Int func int printf hello world. Write the function and we put maybe D. I don't remember exactly how to call a function. I think we put in a printf statement. But I want the function, it receives some. That's what's in the parentheses. Let's put a simpler function than this. Where it doesn't receive anything. But it returns back some. Just keep it simple. And then when we call the function by name, it should give us the hello world statement. So I think this is how it's done. And that's like the basic simplest function call you can ever make. I'm gonna run it and see if it works. I think it's gonna work. Yeah, it did work. So that's as much as I know about functions in the C programming language. I don't know anymore, and this is basically like kindergarten stuff for someone else, but for me it's a little hard. And I am hoping by the time I finish this book that I can write a lot of C programming program. I can code into C heavily. So this is my video in at least what I know currently about the C programming language, or at least what I could remember, as much as I could remember about C. So up until next time, thank you for listening, thank you for watching, and goodbye, YouTube.